My name is Lieutenant Andrew Soberman. I'm one of the search and rescue helicopter pilots here at NAS Whidbey Island. So the NAS Whidbey Island Search and Rescue Unit supports the VAQ air crews in case they have some sort of mid-air incident resulting in a crash or some sort of ejection. So we're charged with going to search and then pick them up, provide medical care, and then transport them to a medical facility appropriate for their injuries if they have any. In addition, we support the NAS Whidbey Island DoD personnel, transport them as necessary if they have any medical issues to higher level of care that the island can provide. From a public relations standpoint, we support the greater Puget Sound region by being a search and rescue asset underneath the umbrella of the National Search and Rescue Plan. As a SAR asset, we can be launched under skipper's authority to go assist, when requested, the local search and rescue groups in the area, be in the Cascades or the Olympic National Park. When local assets are unavailable, we're that last line of defense. Additionally, we are the only asset that specializes in the overland and overwater search and rescue mission. We are also the only asset that deploy paramedics on the ground via rappel or hoist or landing and bring a high level of medical care to the patient on the ground. That we're the only air asset in the region that can do that. The other air assets that can deploy, they don't have the medical personnel like we do. We also have the ability to reach a higher altitude than most of the other regional assets that we work with. So we work with the search and rescue groups on the ground, as well as the Washington EOC and our national park partners to provide the service free of charge.